Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add levels to Fibonacci in Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart and let's add our Fibonacci. So I will add it, for example, from here to here. Now, let's say, for example, I want to add the 88.6 level here. So all you have to do is make sure you click on your Fibonacci, then go to settings, this gear icon. Click on it, and here choose one of these. So I will choose, for example, let's say this one, and type here 0.886. Okay, this is the 88.6%. If you want to add the 20%, type 0.20. If you want to add, for example, let's say 70%, type 0.70. Okay, I think that you get the idea. After that, click on OK. And as you can see, we added our 88.6 level, this one. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.